Hi, I'm Ean Wallace with the Agro-Meteorological Bulletin for the second half of November. Warm to very warm conditions and moderate to heavy amounts of rainfall are possible during the 15 days 16th to the 30th of November. The outlook for the second half of November calls for higher rainfall amounts as compared to the first half. That is mainly due to the secondary rainfall peak of the wet season possibly getting a boost during the expected shift to a weak La Nina by December. During the 16th to the 30th, expect wet days from the 17th to the 20th and the 23rd to the 25th, with forecast daily rainfall totals of more than 10 millimeters. Meanwhile, there's a moderate chance of extremely wet days, with daily rainfall totals of 25 millimeters or more on the 17th, 18th, 23rd, and 24th. We expect fewer downpours during the last week of November, with relatively wet days expected from the 26th to the 30th, with moderate rainfall of 1 to 10 millimeters. During extremely wet days, expect heavy rainfall and thunderstorms that may result in flash flooding, ponding, gusty winds, and waterlogged soils. Now, warm to very warm conditions remain likely, though temperatures will drop lower from the 16th to the 30th. November's temperatures will remain above average for the time of year. In Trinidad, the 15-day period forecast rainfall totals range between 90 and 140 millimeters across different farmlands, but it will favor central and eastern and northeastern areas of Trinidad, places such as Camuto, Valencia, Sandy Grande, Guayco Tamina. In Tobago, the 15-day forecast totals range between 100 and 140 millimeters, favoring northern and eastern areas of Tobago. Now, possible impacts on agriculture are that there's a moderate probability, 40% chance for fungal spread, insect pests, and warm, moist weather diseases to develop in crop beds. And despite fewer hot days, soil moisture loss remains possible. Opportunities for water harvesting will increase but remain lower than usual for November. So on most days, farmers may need to irrigate fields to maintain optimal soil moisture. And for those with young livestock and newly germinated or transplanted seedlings, there's a moderate 6% chance of heat stress. In addition, there's a moderate probability of 50 to 70% that strong winds and heavy showers may cause physical damage to young plants and flowering mature plants in exposed hilly areas. And as usual, for more, you can get more details at the Meteorological Service at www.metoffice.gov.tt.